Whether you're starting a new business or want to supercharge an existing one, The 7 Secret Keys to Startup Success is the one book you need. Hi, I'm David Muchow, and I'm excited to share my secrets of success with you. This book answers all of your key questions and provides legal tips and model forms you can't get anywhere else. And it shows you what to do and never to do to avoid business-killing mistakes. You'll also get exciting stories and real-life cases. The 7 Secret Keys to Startup Success is the valuable business tool you'll use again and again.